What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Exploring the Outdoors. We're here in Galveston at the Stella Mare RV Resort. It is extremely windy here in Galveston. But this is the resort. It is a resort, not just a regular campground. Everything is concrete. You're not allowed to put nothing in the grass. And right behind where I'm parked at, in my little camper, got a nice little pond back here with some wildlife in it, some birds. Saw a few all ago. I'm gonna have to try to get the binoculars out and see what we can see over there and find out what species we have. Give y'all a quick little walk around tour of my camper. Got the chocks out up here in the front. Got the landing gear down. My propane tank's got a little bit of propane in there in case I need it for backup heat because we had a power outage last night for a couple hours. But that works out pretty good. This side right here, we got the septic hose, full hookups here. And then on the back we have what keeps us from freezing to death. We have the mini split. Give you a little tour of the inside. Inside we got the bed. Keep my little power station up there for charging stuff if I have a power outage. TV. A little heater right here. It helps maintain it. You don't have to use the big heater in this little camper. It's not very big. Birding books. Stuff like that. Just various things thrown on the counter. Magnets from all the places I've been. Then over here on these were the bunkhouse beds. Up here is where the mini split is. And then I have various things, computer, towels, walking stick, things like that up there. Down here is just more storage, dirty clothes bag, stuff like that. A little fan that helps circulate the air. And over here on the wall, you'll see, right there. This is a Inkbird temperature controller. So this thing right here is actually hooked to this little heater. So when that one goes to, when it drops down to 69 degrees, it'll kick this little heater on and just kind of warm up over here because the mini split is around that way. This just helps add a little extra heat so neither one of them have to work too hard. So that's a little tour of my little camper. Oh, by the way, up here in these cabinets up here, this is where I keep like extra sleeping bags and stuff like that, clothes and my binoculars and stuff for doing birding, stuff like that. Anyway, thank you for joining me on the tour.